you have something called as CP. CP is nothing, it's copy paste. You want to copy one content to another, but previous one also it will be there, right? So that is called as copy paste, right? That means it's a image of one directory will be sent to the another directory, that is called as CP, right? Same way if you want to run the CP command, so suppose I have here procs, right? So what I'll do, I'll copy this CP space procs space USP 12. If I give this, what will happen? Whatever the not specified, okay, ch1 space ch2. Okay, why it is giving error, guys? What is the problem? Both. So I want to show you the problem here. You can see here it is already suggesting that -r is not specified. That means omitting directory procs. Why -r? Because inside the particular procs directory, if you go to cd and check the procs, if you check with the procs, you can see that there are two directories. So this entire directory should copy and paste recursively. So only it is not allowing. So come outside, okay, sorry, come outside, okay, ls procs is there, we'll type the same command, right, cp command, cp -r space procs space USP 12 and enter. Now you can see that there is no error in that. And if I go to now cd space USP 12 and now if I use ls command, you can see that procs directory is appear here. That means copy and paste has happened. This is the copy command. Clear? I hope it is clear. This is CP is done. Next, just you followed with that, you can try with the copying text file. Also just try with the practice. You have the -i options, right? So it will give you the warning, right? As we just now we saw that, right? Using -i, it was giving the warning message. You want to override the content, yes or no, if you want that feature. That's why whenever you install any software, it will ask if directories exist. They will ask you to directory already exists. Do you want to copy? Yes or no. If you give yes, it will override.